Let's go. Just get everyone from the spawn.
Right on the bottom here. Oh shit.
So for those watching, xChillphil is giving me trouble again, and I don't have comments in a nice way, so I'm sorry if I happen to miss it today.
Okay. Well, welcome to this week's community meetup. Squid's not here with us here at the moment, but might join us later on. Starting off, this is a community-run event. It's not affiliated with VRChat or any other groups or communities. And with that, I'm going to go over some basic rules or guidelines, and then we'll have you guys step inside this rectangle and appear on that list, and then we'll go after the order. So, getting started, all worlds and users must abide by the VRChat community guidelines and TOS. That also includes the event guidelines. Worlds must hold a minimum of 40 users. You can change this on the website. You don't have to re-upload, just so that's said. And when you're dropping a portal, make sure that the instance type is Friends Plus or Invite Plus, just so we can get other people into the instance. And world and users must not deal with sensitive subjects. And that's a very vague one, so if you have any questions, just come to me or Silent Laser, and we'll try and answer that as best as we can. If you have a large world, please let us know, so that we can put you further back in the line, so that the worlds at the beginning can be smaller and we can get more people to see more worlds before we get to the larger ones. If your world's not ready, that means that you have not been there and tested it, and if you're uploading it now, we ask that you go and test it out first before you go and appear inside the rectangle or ask us to be on the list. After you've done that, you can ask. And if you have any time constraint, please let us know and we'll put you further up on the queue, but that does not go past the previous rule on large worlds. And
Wait, what? Okay, apparently I just crashed. Thanks. How do I get back here? Of all times to do that. Oh, I wasn't even on blue, so people can't even join off me. Let's see if it crashes again. Oh, reading. Analog core. Oh no. This one I was expecting. Okay, how many people? Just looks like a lot.
Yes, finally.
And of course, now because of that, the rectangles are
Oh, okay, so how many people survived and how many people didn't?
half the instance.
Really?
Like 20
Interesting.
people, at least over half. It was like
That's surprising.
It went down
50,
to
60
33 users.
33?
I'm checking my logs.
Okay. Well, at least I was able to get back in right away.
That was
Yeah.
ominous.
Like, oh.
Like, I just
I'm looking at my
slowly
logs,
turned around,
and
some people were
I'm seeing spam that Pi could not use station.
What?
Yeah, that always happens.
Oh, wait, that happens if anybody was in a station at like and you join or something. Like, I don't know how long that's been spamming.
That's the last thing I could see in my log.
Did everyone crash or something? Because it said A3.
No, actually, no, I see it. There's a corrupt asset bundle. Somebody changed into a crasher.
The same point.
Okay,
I see
interesting.
everyone died the moment I wanted to join. I guess that's good timing.
How you been? How you been? I don't know if that's a good time.
Can you tell what
Well, I wanted to join and I couldn't join, so I consider it good timing.
Might be okay.
you done flicking into my feet, in my face and feet?
I'm surprised that like half the people didn't have that issue. Do they just like not download certain avatars?
I guess, yeah.
Which I have all avatars hidden.
Oh, it might be because half the people here have everyone else's avatars hidden.
Yeah, that's a nice privilege to have.
Did you die too? Did you die
Because
too?
I'm one of the few people who have like everyone's model shown, but then like not the shades or animations.
No, it's probably it was probably when you cooked the acid bundle.
Yeah, but
I love crashes.
Guys, I'm typing randomly.
I mean, I usually not recalibrating.
Why is my tracking for you?
Not 100% max.
Every time you start VRChat, you go and minimize. I always keep it open on my
Yeah. Did you ever just seeing that in comments there? We all just crashed. I'm not gonna talk into specific details. We will handle, I guess, moderation later if we can. But yeah, that's apparently a thing. Just waiting for facts to load back in. How many people? 74.
Everyone used to be yellow for me. I don't know who anyone is anymore.
Yeah, Meetup is so hard to get into anymore just because...
I can't believe Igbar's completely forgot about me.
You know me, Igbar.
Fuck you, I don't know you. you two have never met.
No?
I don't know what you're on
Oh my
about.
god, Igor, I haven't seen you in ages.
I'll Space Jam your DVD.
Yo, chest trackers. This makes me feel like I'm wearing technology.
Looks like it makes your neck move, but not much else.
Space Jam DVD. Space Jam DVD.
Well, here. What it does is give you like rotational differences between like your hip and chest. So
Yeah. I did that to your mum last night as well. I mean, what?
it also like the neck thing is not intentional. Like this is not how this is supposed to happen.
Yeah.
To the point that I might just rotation constrain my neck to my upper chest.
Well, that's one way.
So, did you die? All of you? Or did you survive?
Yeah, he said he was waiting or loading back in. I'm not sure where he's at. So what part did he leave off on? Because I don't remember. We all obviously crashed on that exact moment.
I don't know. I mean, the whole thing blends together for me now because of how much I've heard it. But
Yeah.
I think, like, probably,
I want to be on your graphics
whichever
card
is later,
right now.
this is intentionally vague, so talk to us.
Oh, there's Max.
Okay.
I assume Vex will remember where he left off.
They'll come back in again.
Oh wait, what was that?
I kind of feel
I don't think they'll come back in again, but we'll see.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, since you own the instance, you can always kick them if anything.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again.
Let's go.
Space
Jam DVD.
Space Jam DVD.
I think I had it in. I don't know.
Just to get everyone there. Okay, I'm not gonna start over because most people probably know the rules, but yeah. Make sure you have a medium or better avatar. If you don't see my avatars or the on-screen messages that we have, make sure to show me and Cyan Laser. And you'll see our messages so that we can tell you to respawn or be quiet or show up somewhere. And yeah, if you showed the world last time, we ask you to not step inside the rectangle so that other people that haven't shown the world can show it, and you can do it next time. So with that, those those that want to show, please step inside the rectangle. If you don't want to show, please step a little bit back because of a size difference between local and remote. So.
No, the list isn't working.
Oh, for anybody who is still in the
If it doesn't
instance.
work, it's fine. If it works for me or Sign,
Yeah.
that's what's matter.
I think it's just anybody who was here didn't crash. Probably didn't work for them.
It's the instance master. It's the instance master. So Cooper's instance master.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I have a small list. I heard Tsuna wanted to go on a time limit. But is the list fine? Like we're only 4 people, so it doesn't matter on the order.
Oh, okay.
Should I show my thing?
I only have 4 people. So it's fine, Tsuna, the order? Or?
Is Tsuna talking? Does Tsuna care? Like, do you need to go first, or do you want to?
Yeah, Tsuna's fine with.
No, Tsuna can't see it. I don't
I
think.
only have 4 people on the list. So it's Varneon, Tsuna, XChillphil, and GenkiDev and Pi. So 5 people now. You can just nod. No, see. That's fine. Just going second.
Like going second, Tsuna.
Yeah. Okay. Well then, I'll keep this list. And going first is Varneon. So, do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, just quick instructions.
Oh.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Now you can step up.
Okay, can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Loud and clear.
If memory serves, I have shown this same project almost 4 years ago, and never since. I've been doing a lot of improvements, and this time, the simple point for the testing is stress testing, and you guys are going to be role-playing. Quick instructions for the streamers. There is copyrighted music. There is a music toggle right next to the spawn on the wall. So if you spawn in with your music off, your world volume off, you can toggle off the music, and then you can safely turn on your world volume. If you're having performance issues, you can go to the same panel on the wall next to the spawn and disable real-time reflection probe, which is used for the main attraction. So I want all of you guys to just run to the main attraction. Don't worry, you will see it, and just listen to my instructions right there. I have a microphone there as well, so you can hear me. Give me roughly 20 seconds so I can be the owner, just to make sure that I can log everything properly. And without further ado, I think that was all.
Right.
Yes, sir.
He has a nice voice.
I'm gonna Space Jam DVD. You have the I don't have it.
It's actually, I usually don't use DVD anymore, but if you have any links, I can go take a look at it.
Let's at least wait until it says 20. Or not. Did anybody even see the time reset? Okay. If this is the case, well, we should just let people in. Go now. Alright, Portal.
You want to go in, Cyan?
Right. I'm trying to think of which. Well, I actually didn't look at the one. I should have read the Portal name. Okay, an amusement park. I saw this a long time ago, but it can't. It couldn't have been 4 years ago. No way.
No.
It was 4 years ago. This would have been SDK2.
Oh my god, it's a waltzer.
Where's the...
To the main attraction.
Oh wait, where's the button to turn off music?
The main attraction.
Disable music? Why is there 2 buttons for this?
One is enable, one is disabled.
No.
No?
There you go, Garland.
Like the enemy goes on the side of the bucket.
Is it safe to stack people on top of each other in the ride?
That goes against regulations.
Oh.
2 people.
You might be too small.
Please keep all hands and feet inside the vehicle.
Can't get in.
Does anyone have our accurate player count?
Maybe 3.
How many are we roughly missing?
We're at 78, so
78. Yeah.
we only 2 left anyway.
I'm too scared right now. My computer cannot handle anything.
It's full. I guess. Full on 8.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to completely change the way we see Fairground and amusement park attractions in VR. The social aspect of this ride is everything. This has been a huge challenge with the player-to-player interaction since the ride is rotating at a fast pace. The cards have to be synced. Everything has to be synced properly in order to work. There is a custom locomotion system in place. So, for example, one part of the social interaction is the operators being able to turn the cards manually. So currently the brakes are engaged, so there is a lot of resistance, and you can see the accuracy of the synchronization. My hand should be properly aligned with the end of the headrest. So the synchronization is extremely accurate if it works. That's why we're here testing it. And also, I can just release the brakes.
I thought that wasn't possible without. Oh my god.
And what if I just give you guys some speed? Now, about the role-playing aspect, I'm an operator of this ride. I'm responsible for your safety. And one piece of advice: you cannot leave the ride if the gate is down. So you have to respawn all the way over there, and you're not going to be able to come back. So if you're going to panic, just try respawning or just tossing your headset away. Anything. Desktop users should have an easier time, but there are still some decent issues with the menu in VR. And next part, the audio calibration. Audio is a huge part of the experience. I like to experience my audio loud, as just like in real life. So I'm going to start the music, which is copyrighted, just to make sure. And I'm going to put it at the highest volume that it will ever be during this meetup. So calibrate your world volume now while the music is playing, so you don't have to mess with the menu while the ride is operating.
Well, volume is full blast for me.
Is there sounds other than the music here?
That is a bit too loud. Holy shit.
Full blasting is fine.
Why do I need it?
All I needed to hear is people. I mean,
Holy
music.
cow!
Oh, I can hear the music through somebody.
Okay, this is interesting.
I want to go on. I feel like I'm going to a park. So like, hi. It's not fucking like a small kid. I'm like, yeah, I want to get on. Small kid again.
Someone's already in. We can't go through.
I want to go on.
We have to buy tickets? What?
Oh my god. You might be.
Okay.
What money
so
is
we're
taken
going to
to
run the
this?
ride 2 times. We can fit 30 people each time. So first run 30 people in and just try to find your seats, and let's start. Go, 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 go.
I guess I'll wait this time, yeah.
Oh, my animation's working.
Why didn't you go in, Igbar? Come on.
Considering he said the music is...
No, I gotta ride with Cyan.
Fine. Do I have to, match your style here?
Oh yeah, man spreading.
This is really awkward couch position here.
Are you seated?
Eventually, my right hand's probably gonna not want to be in this position.
Yeah, I also do not have a right arm rest because I'm on the left side of the couch.
So we're both on the same side.
Damn.
Yeah.
Fancy VR couches.
This is just the couch that's in my office.
Wow, fancy! You have an office.
It is It was a bedroom of someone who no longer lives here.
Oh, are we supposed to copy?
If I could dance, sure.
Okay, so anyone who didn't find a seat, please go through the gate because there might be some unexpected issues with the locomotion.
Can I stay
Don't worry, there's gonna be a second round.
I guess they're just staying.
Maybe this time.
Oh boy.
Okay, let's get started.
I was sitting down. Yeah, I was sitting down, and then oh no, we were 3 people in the same seat.
You
were sitting down. On me and I.
Oh my god, this is loud. This is too loud.
I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Yeah. But I mean, this is him just slowly moving on his... Oh shit.
Wait, can we spin him around?
Yeah, he can. No, we shouldn't.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
But yeah,
the synchronization is amazing.
Yeah. I will let other people experience this. Not involve myself.
Imagine if we had like a motorized chair that doesn't sink and it just spins. Give him an extra spin.
That'd be awful.
It sounds like motion sickness.
Yeah, it's the same, yeah.
We need some cotton.
Oh yeah, you can ride on it and then...
I need to ride next time. I want to experience it.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean, it's pretty well synced. Some people are like outside the seat, but most are inside them.
I only see one person who I think is just not in the seat for me, which would then just be on the VRChat. Yeah, it's like no.
Person that kind of moves outside every now and then. There.
I think they're just not in the seat for us.
Yeah, I see one on it.
Yeah, exactly. Probably desync or something. But everyone else is sitting down and they're moving with the cart, so yeah, this is working so well. This is...
Yeah, that's gonna be really hard.
That's a good ping for a US server, 131.
Yeah, I'm 96. I'm at 20 FPS, so this is just kind of me.
Meetup style.
Yeah,
but I have everything on. I have everything on.
Oh, just low frames. That's how the meetup is.
Oh yeah. Low VRAM, of course.
24 gigabytes of VRAM.
Yeah, I'm not made of money, so I can't really afford a 3090.
Yeah.
I kind of wish I had one though.
I just made a stupid investment. Let's go.
We'll see the next gen. We'll see the next generation. I'm thinking 48 and everything, and probably gonna. Yeah, it's getting better now. It's getting better.
That's a long ass
I mean, it's VR. You can do it however you want. You know, make it last longer.
Yeah, but in real life it would last like 30 seconds. You'd wait in line for 2 hours for 30 seconds.
Yes, but this is the metaverse.
At least it would feel like 30
that back
seconds.
right now.
Wait.
No. Wait, you want to see that?
I mean, this is what metaverses are built for, waiting in line.
There we go, we gotta recreate the experience here too.
If it really was that good, I mean, wouldn't they just be able to pull a slider and make everyone fit at the same time?
Well, I mean, we can do whatever we want. Like, Varneon doesn't want to make it not realistic in that sense.
Video games.
Yeah. Oh, they're slowing down.
Way back there. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Alright, Bar, you need to pick a spot.
Let's try to go for the same one.
We're gonna go in the back.
Oh.
In the back.
Don't go for the
In
one
the back.
like. Yeah, go for one on the side. I'm gonna go for the middle if I can.
In the back.
Or do you want to go in the middle? Yeah, let's just run up to. Yeah, let's just run up to one and sit down carefully.
I want to be able to throw up on somebody during your ride.
Wait, what?
He even did the foot thing where like put the foot down, he just pulled up.
Oh yeah.
Sure, we gotta go.
Oh.
Thank you.
That was amazing.
Okay, round change.
Oh no. Okay. I don't have the right rotation here. Wait, what? I can't even play space.
Well, I can play space.
Well, you
got time. I'll still do the adjustments.
Oh no, there we go. There we go. I was on the wrong setting.
There you go. Damn, my full body does not work in the station.
Probably soon.
Time to update your avatar.
Damn.
Yeah.
You got this.
Sounds lame.
There's one spot free right here.
I don't know what causes that. Is it because I have a sitting thing?
I don't know if this has a custom. Well, clearly it doesn't have a custom override. So it's like it's basically, yeah, whatever your animator is.
Please, questions a little later. This is hectic. Sorry.
Oh.
Come on, champ. Let's go. Yeah, hey.
Is this safe? Look at all the room here. I'm gonna fly off.
Just don't.
Yeah, another
Just don't.
right here.
try to open it up.
I can't open it.
We're lost. We're doomed.
Time to die.
The music is a little bit.
Aw. How do we spin it?
Spin yourself.
You know, physics works that way, right? See, can we all do it?
Hey, let's blow the roof off.
Oh no.
Oh boy, can't wait to jam to my favorite anime opening.
Can you sing it for us? Because, you know, it's copyrighted.
I'm opening number 5.
I don't think I know this one.
I don't even know what it is.
It's like EDM.
Oh, we spin. We no longer spin.
Wow, this would be very enjoyable if I did not have 15 frames a second.
Yes, I'm also on 15. Oh, sorry, just remembered to look at here again. Yeah, a lot of people do really want full amusement parts. I'm just more surprised that, like, we've seen people make one-off mechanics, but not many people making, like, the full thing,
Hey,
I guess.
This isn't an anime opening, this is just EDM music.
There has been, like, one person for SDK2 that I know of, but, like, not many, like, lately for SDK3. Comfort mode. Do you mean, like, the tunneling effect? I'm gonna say I don't think it will affect this.
Hey, you can't really get motion sick at 15 frames.
Oh.
It's more of a slideshow.
I can't even try and mess with the settings. That's expected.
Microsoft, what now? What's it called again?
What are you thinking of?
So how fast are we spinning?
No, that.
Oh.
Well, wow, that's got some spin.
The Fourier transform.
You guys are feeling motion sick just from this? I'm sorry. Wait, actually, how bad is it on stream? Okay, it doesn't look... Oh, oops, I'm sorry. I'm not on, what is it, smooth camera.
You guys having fun?
Oh, hell yeah. No, that's a spin.
Yes. Are we getting how many degrees per frame?
Okay, there we go. This feels like a,
5?
This feels like a fucking powerful presentation, alright.
PowerPoint.
Kind of missing the feeling of the spinning.
Oh, the music stopped.
Oh. Did it slow down? Did it slow down? Oh, we're done.
That was something else.
Get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared.
Wait, how do we get out? Oh, jump.
There we go.
Jump. Oh, jump.
Was that mentioned earlier? Because I don't remember. Hmm?
Cyan,
What?
I would say you should have be like me, like standing over here and running on this spinning thing. It looks amazing.
Oh, wait, I should have. What?
You should have stand on this rotating plate instead of on the seat, I would say.
Pizza.
My pleasure. This is my lunch.
Oh, should we all get off the ride now?
I could feel it more from that.
What you can imagine. Thank you, everyone. That concludes my portion of the community meetup. It has been a pleasure to have you all. And this world is Quest compatible, and given this success that we just had, thank you all. I am over the moon right now, to be honest, and I want to release this world as soon as possible for people to enjoy and just call it their own place. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank
Happy birthday!
Is it actually Varneon's birthday?
Yeah, if you see me anywhere during the community meetup, just come ask me any questions if you have. I'm just gonna calm a little bit because I'm sweating, obviously.
What's your favorite deodorant?
That was so good.
Spinning too many chairs.
I can't find Old Spice Apollo anymore. Like, I'm really
But yeah, we can move on.
I'm sorry to hear that. It's fine.
Right now, the plan is to prioritize everything for role playing. So right now you need an operator, but in the future, I'm planning to have automated. So there will be an AI running on the platform.
I wonder, can I?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
There you are.
too much.
Okay. So, we got Tsuna up next, but Dragonos is gonna speak for Tsuna, so be quiet please.
So the map has copyrighted audio, and don't touch anything at launch until everyone is in.
Oh.
Don't touch copyrighted audio.
Don't touch anything. I'm afraid I can't do that.
80 people do not ran right.
I'm gonna touch the thing. I have to touch the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna avoid it. I think smaller than you. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Oh yeah. Nice.
You shouldn't leave milk on refrigerator. That's dangerous. It's not like I can touch anything.
Do not touch anything.
Even then,
it's gonna be like a actually farm map.
Milk and chill.
Are we gonna farm milk and chill the milk?
In Germany, they don't have
Milk and
Think it's gonna break? Think it's gonna collapse?
Nope.
Here we go.
Oh, the buttons. Okay.
Because of course you're touching the floor.
Wait, is there an issue with the floor?
You can hover in this game. No touchy touchy.
Oh no? No, okay. Doesn't make touch anything.
Oh, that's right.
Walking speed is low. Okay.
There can be an advantage in storing it outside the fridge, though. Like, why wouldn't you put your milk in the fridge? Unless you're out of room.
Having a 4K camera open while doing this is a bad idea.
I'm in the metaverse.
I tell you, the Germans are crazy.
Wait, am I missing something? I'm like, why people are just going so slowly through here?
Are you gonna do your birthday event?
No. I just walking like
You're not the only one.
Anything, so it was just not touching anything.
Still now old.
Fax has pulled in. Slowly loading.
Not touching anything. Well, bye.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Why is there a Cyan?
Hmm?
Are you hearing a very squishy global noise?
No, because I have sound off due to whatever copyright music is in here, and also avatar sounds are always off.
Wait, is it? I don't even hear any music playing.
At all.
Shouldn't it? Or I guess was Dragon said.
No, there's music.
Okay.
Oh, so it's an avatar that's playing it.
No.
Oh, the music is playing. I just had to turn it
Yeah, there's world music. You just have to put it up.
It's not a global noise that I'm hearing, or not a global world noise I'm hearing.
Somebody's out of your attention. I'm too small.
Would I?
Are we touching that?
Oh wait, we're supposed to go.
You touched the crystal.
We're touching the crystal here.
Okay.
Touch it, but we're not supposed to touch anything.
The crystals crashed.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe you should have
Don't
done like it.
touch a crystal
You can
crash.
touch things now.
We can stay here.
Because most people are still like
something?
in the no touch mode.
What's that?
This isn't like milk.
It is a brick from something. Milk.
I don't know, but I like this place.
Unless the pools are still
We
made
can
up.
stay here, hang out here.
I mean, the pools
We
are
don't
water.
go
They're very
anywhere.
clearly
Stay
water. I've
here.
never seen milk this clear.
Yeah, I don't know what milk I'm having. That's just clear.
Wait, is there more over there?
There's seems to be more because there's an avatar out here.
I don't know what to think about this.
Well, this is an oasis, so this is probably just a desert.
Based on how far it goes.
Wait, I think I see something over there. I see a glow over there.
You sure that's not a person? Or no, that could be the light map.
I think the goal might be the skybox.
That could just be a baking thing.
Streak of light.
Yeah, I feel like this is just a baking.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I thought this looked like a cave entrance from a distance. Oh well.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything over here. I'm gonna run back.
My leg. I'm like walking a whole day. Now I have to walk. No, and now I'm lose my friend.
Build an oasis and everyone immediately wanders
Do you
through the
know
desert.
what? Everybody is yellow, and if I wanna find
Everyone's just wandering the
someone-
desert, so thinking they
I mean, there's a light out there. It's like, why is there a light out there?
Maybe I'm not taking
No, I was trying to find what other, treasures.
Then I found better one.
They're exploring.
I did enjoy the bubble though. That was nice.
Yeah,
Now I know what milk is like.
Now we sink.
Is there more back
Or
there?
maybe you are my friend. I hope so. By the way, that is good idea.
Disappointing how quiet it is with no copyright, or yeah, no sounds because of the copyright music, but definitely looks like an interesting hangout place.
What do you think about like I think
Milk and chill.
So you can go up there.
Just jumping on the side here? No, wait. How did you?
Yeah, right over here.
yellow fences right now, but if you can put like red friends and like blue friends.
What? This just works?
Right where you see like
Yep, there we go.
I'm assuming that still doesn't have a collider, so.
No, I tested it. The roof does not have a collider as well.
So wait, this.
But not like it needed.
Yeah.
It's nice to chill at though.
Right in the center now.
Are you going to T-pose to assert
Oh, do I need to do that to help people find the way? Oh, it doesn't. T-pose doesn't get affected by play space.
Oh, damn. Oh, that would have been awesome.
All right.
Well, technically, you could still T-pose.
Yeah, I could.
Through the.
Physically.
Yes. All right. I think everyone should witness this beauty that is Cyan T-posing. Hold on, let me get the attention.
The question is, how long am I staying here for this? As Igbar just points at me.
Cyan, you alright up there? God, I don't even know how you got up here. Is this your life now? Are you like? Is this...
Apparently, you can just climb up from the side.
Okay, fair enough.
Coward.
Oh. Coward? Valgan knows the way here.
Wait,
Alright, I'm jumping.
It's not about being a coward.
Like, you know what you're doing? You step on the feet of Actually, wait, no, don't step on Igbar's feet because Igbar would step on my feet.
Yeah, exactly.
But you already did, sir.
Don't worry, son. I got pictures.
Good. Hey, my thumb actually works here.
How much are you gonna sell them for?
20 yen.
Can I have a share of this profit?
That's
That's very
nothing.
reasonable.
Like 20 yen is like
20 cent, yeah.
No, it's less than that.
If not, Japanese yen is actually
Actually,
low. Yeah, the yen is low right now, but
20
only
yen
20 cent
GBP.
normally. If the yen is powerful again.
Yo, that's 12 pence.
10. Okay, yeah.
Nice.
I just realized something.
Cyan laser
Me?
picks go
Oh,
for cheap,
oh.
I guess.
Okay.
And Cyan isn't getting any extra profit.
This is one of the many.
Oop, stare at the grass. Touch the grass? Is that what we're going for here?
San, I got a question. San, I got a question for you.
Yes?
Earlier, the host mentioned about larger worlds. Like, apparently, larger worlds can only be shown like afterwards. But I didn't
Large
really
and file
understand,
size.
Like, what that
If the world is
meant.
250 megabytes or larger, we want that to be shown at the end, just for like people with like internet issues.
Okay,
That's like-
what if the world is around 70 megabytes?
Entirely fine. I mean, there's no issue with showing large worlds. It's just more we want them to be in the list instead of like, you know, just so that people are aware with the slow internet.
Like, I thought it was the world by itself, how big it was in terms
No,
of like,
that's-
exploring and whatnot. Okay,
that's
okay,
not
okay,
related.
all right. Okay, good to know.
Mhm.
Okay, all right, perfect. Good to know. Thank you for letting me know, because I was a little confused.
I want to touch grass.
Wait, are you just digging in the grass here?
Just in
I need
case
to be my
for
condo.
next week, can I still show stuff? Like next week?
Congratulations. Oh, you're thinking. It's quick grass.
Quick grass.
Oh, grass.
Oh,
Yeah,
grass.
it is possible that sometimes I may have.
Yeah, this is my.
But yeah.
This means I can stay inside for another week. I like this.
Yes.
I'm gonna join you in here.
My grass touching quota for the week.
Just in case.
For the week.
It's part of
Oh, this is mine for the year. Check it out.
like if they're
I mean, you might have to be here for a while if you're actually going to build it up for a year.
people can get quicker in.
I mean, it doesn't last that long.
I have a lot of people.
Oh, wait, what is going on here?
For the year. Check it out.
How many crashes people
There we go. Touch my my grass. Maybe Vex if it's still grass.
at first, and then you also get the best.
My metaverse grass, if you
You can
must.
tell people to go slow.
I only have one on this thing.
Give me your grass. There you go. Oh, thank you, thank you.
You lost your quota, you gotta do more.
Where's my hamburger?
You can't do the gesture anymore?
Oh, thank you. Nom.
I think it's like the size of your head.
No problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
stuffed cow.
I believe that list I have just to make things.
It's the cow. Do it now.
Should be good. Yeah.
It's also fuzzy. Oh wait, I guess it's not kinematic.
I love cow.
Yeah.
Oh, you almost dropped it.
I didn't realize it was not kinematic.
Well, I just hope that I don't have any like weird time constraints.
I hold it for you.
Now if you hold it yourself.
Yeah, you can have your cow back.
Thank you.
You have more QV pens in the world, right?
Yes, and then
It is very fuzzy looking.
What does it smell like?
That day.
Oh my god, my frame rate when I go near it dies.
Wait, is it actually?
Disgusting.
No,
Sounds like
mine
milk.
doesn't
Yeah,
though.
my frame rate. So right now I'm getting 30. When I go near it, I get 20.
You move the.
You and your powerful computer.
They were fucking me.
It's something.
Last week.
Oh yeah, plus I have everyone's avatar shown as well.
Because you were on
If I face this way,
You're just bragging now.
Some versions, like you can.
I love showing people's avatars.
if I'm standing where you're standing, I get 20.
Okay.
Last time I have
At 18.
a bunch of them, and I just only left one set of keys, which is necessary
20.
for the
What?
things I have prepared. So yeah.
20.
Oh yeah, you're streaming, aren't you?
Yeah. Streaming plus, what is
Next time I will
it?
just
Steady cam, so that's like another camera and things. But it's really just like VRAM that's the issue.
Plus ratio.
Plus. Anything else?
Yeah.
I'm
No.
horribly sleepy
Oh,
now.
okay. Okay.
And now my stuff don't have it.
Is this what full body Igbar is? Wow.
340.
Maybe you're just not using full body right.
I mean, I know this is true, but you don't have to rub it in.
I'm using full body right. Just gonna.
And then you also do ownership stuff with it. So if you have a lot of pens,
Yeah.
people have been drawing more. When a lot of people join in, that can be.
Yeah.
So it's just safer to just leave it disabled.
Is this you? Is
Yeah.
this your friend request right here?
Like that is on my list now.
That is me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was me.
I can't do 3 minutes on my hands, but 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
But having 340 as the first one is a little bit weird, if you know. But yeah.
I can't. I'm only 2.0. I'm not 3.0.
Oh, loser.
Why is everybody way out there in the desert?
Hmm?
There's a lot of,
Wait, is it time to respawn? No.
it's just, there's a lot of people in the desert.
In a few minutes.
I found
Oh,
a
okay.
cow. It is fluffy.
It is fluffy.
Wait, what?
I'm swimming without parental vision.
Oh no. Fuck.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm smart for having sandals that fit exactly over my trackers. That's the only reason I can stand in
I'm
here.
even smarter for getting like those really cheap straps from Amazon, and then just getting another strap, like an elastic strap, running around the heel. Wow, best track strap in resistance, other than the Velcro.
Why not wear a strap and then just have a sandal over the strap?
That's effort.
So I didn't actually see the rest of this portion of the world. We have a bunch of stuff up there. Looks like this one is empty. We have a giant milk there. And 2 minutes. Is this the reason there's copyrighted music? Okay. The comfy bed area with low frames. Wait, you can go in the milk? Is this a good idea? I can't take the cap, but... Is this a good idea? To be stuck inside the milk?
We've all seen What Became of the Pony, have we not? You've got to get out of there, man.
Oh, I guess they like.
I'm not dealing with that.
Yeah, you gotta get out of that. Yeah, it also disappears.
That's what I didn't understand.
What are you holding?
Maybe the avatar was small.
I don't know, but I found them over here. It's chair and you can hold people.
I also
Did it disappear while I'm in it?
Now I can attack.
What?
Yes, it does.
Why? What is this?
Except for the handle, and now I can attack you crazy with you.
Oh. No, wait, you're supposed to be saying ow.
Don't beat me with a cyanizer.
See, you made him flat.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the power of the cyan laser.
No, but yeah. So on this one, like if I push my head up and down, if I nod my head, is a better
Okay.
term.
I guess that's.
I don't understand it.
That goes crazy.
They were on the wall like this.
And your voice is also a totally different position. Nice.
Okay.
Interesting.
Well, we know this is a thing here.
Yeah.
It's like throwing my voice.
And we're being respawned.
I'm over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Interesting.
And I'm running
This
through
towards medium?
Oh, is this the clap system? It does have the clap system.
Yeah.
Oh, I made this. So I only have myself to blame.
Wait, I forgot. What are the other ones that are in threads?
MJ Cox,
Come on,
wanna
faster.
say something before we go?
Yeah, right. Still.
Wait.
Yeah.
Making it clap with no hands. I'm busy too afraid to break my controller.
As well as stop clapping.
Okay, everyone
Those
stop.
two MJ Cox, and we will go to their world. So stop clapping, please. You can clap after he's done.
Right, so I've done another Mario Kart import, but in this time I actually have carts, and if any of you get motion sick, look at the floor, because this is a cruise ship and it does rock back and forth. So just look at the floor. If you cannot handle seasickness.
Reminder, your obligation is to change to the Mii avatar for this next world. Here we go.
Looks like it's holding up.
Yes, I am after you. I insist. What the heck?
Wait, you don't know about that? This world has the clap system.
Oh, I did not. Okay. Well, anyways.
Anyways.
Mario Kart.
Actually, that fucking high?
How many cars are there? Wait, why is the skybox moving?
Skybox is not moving with me, supposedly. I don't understand it.
Wait, what are you saying? The skybox moves every time people join in.
I was told that we are what's moving, not the skybox, but I
Okay.
don't understand. So.
No, it would make sense if the boat is actually what's moving, but it's like, I don't see a single person moving when the skybox jitters.
Maybe there's more blood flow going in your hands.
Yeah.
It's still stupidly high, though.
I mean, I guess you could like go out the edge and see, but
Yeah, I noticed.
oh, there's a card.
They finally spawned.
So it could just be like there's a networking, like, yeah, you're probably overloading the network if it's taking that long. Oh,
To be
okay.
fair, I do have like 20 carts here.
I don't know if that actually causes it, but
Also,
okay.
if you want cart noise without the music, there is a music toggle to the left of the goal.
Okay. I should probably click that to hear something. Left of the... Oh, is this an actual button? It is an actual button.
Just click it once, it should work.
I don't hear any sounds yet, but I guess soon.
Someone needs to actually drive a cart. Do I get in the back of my one while I explain the world?
Wait, what? Double dash?
An empty one.
We get it.
It's
There is a second one, yeah.
Like 20 carts with this many people.
Okay. There is a second. Did you find a cart, or do I have to go find somebody
20
else's?
carts with 80 people, networking is crying.
Are the cars that many, like, sync stuff? Okay.
Is anyone actually able to accelerate?
Oh, your voice was chopping there.
They just haven't moved.
I was wondering if anyone was actually able to accelerate.
I saw one person right there, but then they keep jetting back, and... Okay, so what's going on? Oh, interesting. I bet the
ownership is getting spammed.
I don't know if it's ownership getting spammed. There's just literally the entire world is like too much networking because only like one.
And when I went into this car, I was able to drive it a tiny bit forward compared to all the other ones for a tiny bit, and then I couldn't anymore. Like I lost ownership.
On my end, it doesn't show that you're in the car because it just says for, like reset.
No to carts.
I mean, are you doing other things in here?
Networking is saying no to 20 carts. The only things that are synced in this world is a timer and these 20 carts.
I mean, I guess the cars have a lot of networking. How do I go?
It might let people accelerate.
Hi.
Maybe.
It does seem like something broke though.
I'm pretty sure just like the networking in this world is a little
I feel like I
overdone.
lost ownership of the car right after getting into it.
Also, who is the host and why can't they consistently supply the skybox? Because it is glitching out. Who is the world master?
I mean, that may not be the host. That's just VRChat networking.
My computer can't handle it. Wait. If I'm the host, it should be perfectly smooth.
Are you syncing the skybox?
Glitching out my side. No, I'm syncing a timer which is attached to the skybox.
It worked after. Wait, Cyan, I'm over here now, and I lost ownership again of the driver.
Oh, now you're back now.
Me thinking that shouldn't be causing glitches. Unless someone else is reporting that they're master.
Oh.
And then I lose ownership.
Yeah, the network's clogged.
2 centimeters.
Yeah, the network is just clogged in this world. I don't think anything's...
Rest of the map then on foot, because
All right.
obviously the carts are
I
saying
mean, we can
no.
try.
Some people are driving. Might just take a minute or two.
I mean, it's gonna take a lot longer, but yeah.
Yeah.
Is each car continuous sync? Because that could also be part of the issue.
I'm continuous syncing the timer, but I don't know what the carts are using.
Wait, why are you continuous syncing the timer? Like, do you actually change it? Because like the suggestion we were saying is like, don't like it just sets it once. Oh, one person's moving and disappeared.
Yeah, but the VR chat server timer doesn't function.
The what?
At all with you on top. The official VRChat networking server time does not function in Udon Sharp whatsoever.
So, are you testing in editor or are you testing in VRChat? Because those will be different things.
In editor it works, in VRChat it doesn't.
I'm assuming there's something else wrong because I've been using network time in like other worlds. It's a different value.
Literally plugging in get time in milliseconds, converting it into seconds as a float, and it just doesn't work.
I mean, that could be related,
Which
but
one was it that had negative values?
pretty sure all of them. You can't trust whatever value they give you. You're only allowed to compare it between two other versions of itself, kind of thing.
Because it can return a negative value.
That might be my issue then.
Mm-hmm.
I was literally converting the milliseconds into seconds using a division.
There are other ways to kind of
And
do
then
it as well.
plugging that
Like you can
into my
sync a
file.
Unix time, a timestamp.
I mean, you
and just
could.
use a local timestamp per person.
I can't sync a float apparently. Despite the fact that it shouldn't be reacting at all. Like, I don't see why it's glitching on my side. I get why it's glitching on other people, but I should be running this float, so it should run fine for me.
I mean, are you the master of the instance? Like, were you the first one to load the world?
Yeah, I'm instance master. According to me, I'm instance master.
Wait, you can't see that in game, unless you have that in your world. You will see that you are the instance creator, which is a different thing than instance master.
Alright, so someone else must be master for it to be glitching.
It also sounds like your network is
I am not
very.
coming DC. I just say I am not busy like the last time, but now I'm coming.
Yeah, let's walk around the map slowly as we continue talking, so this doesn't take half hour.
We would move on before then.
Someone was using fly.
Well,
Someone was using fly. That was fun.
I mean, that's some people have that on their avatars. I don't know if they do, but. Or wait, do you unless have it in the world?
Are you driving, or are you just like? Oh, you're just
some of the cards are functioning.
Yeah.
This car is working now. It took a while before it started to actually work. But... I do like the drifting. It's kind of fun and completely unrealistic, but definitely fun.
Unrealistic.
Yeah.
Following.
Not
Wait,
like it's
there's a
ever
monkey.
supposed to be realistic for Mario Kart, but you know what I mean? It's like even...
I might ask the person I was working with to heavily mod the cards if there's a way to not make them eat the entire network. Because it appears that the cards were destroying the network. And now that everything's synced properly, they appear to be somewhat functioning.
I mean, one thing you could potentially do is just turn them on slower, but I don't know. With the
Oh, I'm enabling them all at once. They are literally enabled on start.
To set the positions and orientations of the car and to like try and optimize for bundling. It's like a hack, I guess.
Yeah.
But you would obviously know better than I would.
We have almost made it halfway.
Almost halfway. With 2 carts on their side.
People have crushed the carts.
Are they still in the cart?
Yeah, they are.
You just need to reverse backwards slightly.
Yeah.
Wait, how does reversing help the situation?
We gotta push him.
I don't know. Because you ride slightly up the wall so you can then turn around.
Hold on.
I don't think that helps either.
You can't ram by disable car on car collision.
You're stuck.
You might need to get out. Wait, I'm assuming these cars have the pickup piece, but I don't know. I guess they don't. They probably don't have that from like the original STK2 stuff.
I was thinking of putting stations on these tables,
STK Worlds,
but
where you had a car
I realized that I just make
pick it
people
up and
motion
run
sick.
into the sun.
Right, the tables do have collision, it's just with remote plays, obviously that didn't desyncing.
Well, I mean, I think it was hitting my avatar at one point. Yeah,
it does. It hits local players at least, and they're somewhat synced. I'd say they're about a couple of seconds out of sync right now.
If you don't manually sync it somehow, then I'm pretty sure it's not going to be synced.
Not in the US. They're using the timer like everything else. I only sync one float and the carts. That's everything I'm syncing.
Is this?
Yeah, so
the shortcut, which is like.
I was just gonna say, like, it makes no sense for there to be water here unless you actually go underwater.
And then go back round.
Wait, what was that?
I think I fell down. Voila.
Okay.
We are in the shortcut, which is slower using these udon carts.
The shortcut is slower. Okay.
Oh, they're cheering for you.
Also, notice when they get to the boost pads, they'll go flying because the boost pads actually work.
Does it work for people? Nope. What is that?
Whereas players just have to slowly crawl up the slope. Also, the carts use a different collision mesh than the player, because players, I trust them enough to give them visual collision, whereas carts are using the official collision.
Whoops.
An example of that desync is the front of the ship. Players can go on this path to travel here, whereas carts can't.
Which makes sense.
To using different collision meshes. You can see the ship rock back and forth
Speaking
as
of
it slowly
desync, I was
moves.
seeing like the skybox jitter up and down before. It's
Yeah.
somewhat stable now, but yeah.
The carts should be the most stable thing, as the person driving is the one who's sinking them.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's how the carts have to work, if they have to be synced by the person driving.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm leaving footprints. I just noticed that. I'm leaving footprints and my Among Us followers following me.
Yeah, your Among Us follower is just
It's
lagging
funny I
behind.
can have so much junk on my avatar and it's still a medium.
I mean, I have several outfit toggles and this is quest medium.
Nice. This is not a quest medium. This one's like a very poor quest.
Amala, we have made it back to the start. Let's see if one of these cards now function. That should give you the quick route at the other route.
Okay, bye-bye. Alright, get in the back. See what happens.
Oh, you want me to get in the bag? Where's the seat?
I am now in this.
Santo gets Sinus.
You're gonna have to start driving.
I'm kidnapping Sign Laser.
Yeah, let's go. The sinking is horrible, or you're a bad driver.
I see. The left one is the reverse. The sinking's very bad. And I also might be a bit of a bad driver. Just a little bit, though.
Just a little bit? Okay.
Just a tad.
Stop hitting the walls, Igbar.
Fixed itself.
Maybe I want to hit the walls.
Fine, hit all the walls.
It just had to sync the initial state of the 20 carts.
Hit the tables. You just drew.
I'm
through a
hitting all the
table.
tables. And this pillar. And this wall.
And that wall.
Yes, it does lag quite a bit, actually.
This sink is just horrible. What a drift.
See, when I have decent frames, it's not that bad.
I'm at 12.
We're dead.
We're dead. Oh no. Wait, oh, there we go.
The carts driving on wall, I just haven't applied it yet. Because carts can accidentally go on walls because Unity wheels are existing. Because whenever a Unity wheel collides with a wall, it just goes on top of the wall. So
Unity
the car
wheels
goes
are weird
90
like that,
degrees
yeah.
If you drive right next to a wall. So, the fix for the carts driving on walls is a box collider. That is literally the entire fix. A single box collider per car.
Oh, so you're using kills, carts?
Who?
Kill frenzies?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
Yes.
Kill Frenzy. He's like done a whole lot of different prefabs, but he made. I'm guessing these are the same carts. He made carts that are basically like they have anti-grav on them, so they were. Ren uploaded a couple Mario Kart 8 worlds, and they got full anti-gravity, and they're more like handleable than the other carts, so you can't accidentally flip over. And MJ is also friends with Ren, so I figured that, and as well as Kill Frenzy, so I figured he's probably was using the same ones, same carts.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm using version 14 of the prefab they made.
That was fun.
Oh wait, I got on.
Facts, just in case. For the last week, the one with the QV pad crashed problem. Who was the owner of the world again? Doesn't matter. Yeah. I remember he also asked me a bunch of questions about that thing because we almost had the same problem that we talked for a while, but I kinda remember the name wrongly. Yes. Yeah, I thought I was looking for like that.
The physics for driving is
There's many pieces.
Everyone be quiet, please.
I'm just learning as I go.
You guys over here.
Hey, Tones.
And we'll listen to xChillphil, and then we'll go to their world.
Alright, howdy everybody.
Yeah, over here.
Sweet. So I'm making a club world for a Discord group I'm in. It's inspired after many club worlds you've probably seen around VRChat. So any feedback is appreciated. I'm mostly concerned about lighting. So any experts in lighting, that'd be greatly helpful. But yeah, have fun and yeah, I'll drop a portal.
Come back away.
Yes sir, yes sir. We move.
I'll try to give this some
Oh, they went right in. Oh no.
Wait.
Who does that?
No hesitation.
Okay, well, it's fine.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, and the car right next to me.
Ooh, this is really well optimized.
That's some bloom.
I see some problems with this.
Ooh.
No,
that is extreme bloom. What the fuck?
Bloom.
I'm an angel.
No shows a lamp. This is. Yeah, how not to do bloom.
Oh wait, was there copyrighted music? Am I allowed to put the sign on?
Oh, the bloom.
Oh, there's so much
How many
bloom.
times
I'm
have I
gonna
heard the word
grind.
bloom at the last minute?
Well, there's 80 people and everybody has to say it 3 times.
It's the corporate part of the club we're in.
Yes.
Nice. I've said it at least more than once.
It's Club Bloom.
Oh no, real-time shadows.
Yeah.
Ooh, Legume, you're the sun.
I think we're all sun. Yeah, we all got
Frames.
There's meetings right now. I wait. We like 3 meetings.
What was that?
Streaming.
But like, was the world that he described different than the world that he put down, or am I going crazy?
I mean, this could still be a club. We're just not at the right spot. I don't know. I mean, the world name is still Ancients Club, wasn't it? Or Club Ancients? Yeah, Club Ancients. We have to get to... Yeah, long day at the office. I think this is implying that we have to find our way to the club from the office. Kind of like, I guess, following Shelter's idea. That way?
The club is that way.
That is a mirror. Why is there a mirror on by default?
This way? Oh, it's here.
I don't know, maybe you just want to go to the bathroom.
Well, no wonder I'm not allowed to look that way. Ow. Still can't look that way.
Okay, so...
Oh, that thing looks... I think it touched you.
Oh god, you're right.
Don't... Just don't turn around.
Don't...
The boots are right down.
Oh lord.
Oh, yummy 19.
All the time by default.
Yeah, quick suggestion there, XChillphil.
Turn around and almost crash. Like, even though I can relatively handle it.
Just a quick suggestion. You have a mirror that appears to always be on. Can you turn that off when you're not next to it? Just because, I cannot ever face that direction.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
Yeah,
18?
I almost crashed looking back.
Eric? I don't know if,
Yes, correct.
I spent so long.
I'm gonna go and play Minecraft now. But just wanted to say hi and let you know I'm pretty fixed.
If you look at one direction, then yeah, it does.
Yeah, just take the camera and look at yourself.
I'm just gonna chill out. Put some music on. I like to chill.
to see this.
Oh my god, that looks rad. I can't put any music on right now since it's free.
Oh my god.
You don't have any pupils or anything.
Your avatar, it's just a pool of light.
Night and
It's just sometimes when you look around, I just see like a reflection that's bright in the sun.
Happy Independence Day for tomorrow.
I think they got probably heard
Your battery is over full.
Oh god.
Why are you looking this way?
Because I can handle it, but only barely.
But only barely. Wow, what a... I'm at a slideshow. There we go.
Yeah. I mean, all things considering, you know, I'm streaming and
yeah,
have everybody's avatars enabled except yeah, you know, it's not the worst.
You need to have a muscular version of yourself to break the office environment and really chill.
But holy crap! It's like you can't talk to people face to face because one of those people that you're talking to is gonna be lagging.
unless you just go from the side. Like, nope. Okay, so I can't turn that way. So if you face this way, I believe it's fine.
I can face this way. Just
Sweet,
fine.
yeah.
We can talk like this.
That works, right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Exactly. Yeah.
I just can't look over here. Hey,
Yeah, totally.
It's just that singular. What's it called?
Yeah.
Imagine like
going behind somebody,
you know, that one.
and they're like, "Hey, how's it going?" And be like, "Oh, hey."
I mean, that's me right now. Just for that conversation, you're too far to the side.
No, that's a mirror. Okay.
Okay, let's see. There. Drops to 0 frames according to FPS VR.
My frame rate halves.
I know.
My frame rate is absolutely.
Like it does, yeah, it does drop to 0 every so often, but like
This way is fine.
Oh, I mean,
between 36 and 40 facing this way.
I'm on a very weak 20
Face
right
this way.
now.
Get 2.
20. 21.
I'm on fucking 50.
Yeah, it's staying so funny.
So the 0 frames, you know, you just turn around to someone, be like,
I can't even look at you to see what you're talking about. Oh, okay, I have to be back here. What did you do?
No. Frames. That's what it feels like facing this way. No drift, don't put me. Oh.
like,
Oh my
He's
god.
downloaded enough RAM. Gosh.
I mean, if only I could download VRAM. You can only download normal RAM.
Oh, I know, it's so annoying.
Hopefully Windows releases
that update soon.
I could download more frames? How much does that cost? Where's the shop for that?
Facing this way.
Unfortunately, most of my data plan has gone to downloading a car.
Of course you would download a car.
I would.
We all do.
About it?
Drive it, that's what.
Over there.
Oh no!
Wait, hold on.
Is this?
I can't.
Download a car.
Like, is it just?
I have 3 times because I downloaded games.
I think it's just this room.
There's a mirror that's always active.
Use that. That's
if you look
illegal.
at it.
You just did it in the last world.
Come on.
We're all now criminals.
Yeah, that we found in the bathroom.
Wait, what?
I also think probably turning down the rent distance would help a lot.
I think we're in the club area. They did.
Time to party.
Time to party, no base
But I
station?
guess this is it.
Am I like right
base
under my
station
AC?
and no frames.
Okay.
No base stations?
Right? Well, anyways.
Oh.
If we
So-
go behind the mirror, we'll be fine, though, right?
Yeah. Which is back at spawn.
Is there a mirror?
Yeah, we should.
Or you can always go back at the spawn.
Yeah, for anybody who has frame issues turning around, it's because of the always-on mirror in the bathroom.
Yep.
So
mirror as in
4 of them.
4? What? I didn't realize it was that bad.
It's not a single mirror, it's like 4 of them.
Oh, wow.
It's like a mirror. It's
Is a separate mirror.
Okay, wow. By the way, if VRChat will report up to, like it's down to 11 frames. So when I move like
Make it
this,
constructive.
VRChat still says 11 here, but like on my hand I have an app called FPS VR, which tells me the actual frame rate, which said 0, which it was not even frames per second.
I know.
I found out if you close your eyes and you're looking, you're fine.
That sounds like a great idea. I should experience VR with my eyes closed because that'll always be maximum frame rate.
Don't turn around.
Exactly.
I suffer from the unfortunate circumstance that is too much bloom causes me to actually sneeze.
I'm surprised I have not experienced that yet, because I'll sneeze when I walk outside, like in the sunlight, but not from VR yet.
Yeah, like, so you have that too. That
Yes.
reflex, the photos,
Whatever that is. Yes.
We need to make a mandate this goes.
Reflex, yeah.
Someone shows up
I just haven't experienced it from VR yet. At least I don't think I have. I don't know if I've thought about that. Interesting.
There is a world. Yeah, there are worlds that have like super high bloom that actually simulate sunlight, and they actually can get me if I were to be just outside per se within that world and like just looking forward with just a bright sky. It's just a simulation. It's like a certain condition though. Not all worlds do it, but there are a few worlds that can do that.
Interesting.
Most notably, Japanese worlds happen to
The
do
Jap
that
world
really
is
well for some reason.
Oh, so nice.
That'll be really good.
I guess I didn't see that.
I have to repair my controls.
My previous computer before this had 2 gigabytes of VRAM.
Something went wrong. I need to repair my controls.
His heart is super bright.
Oh, that's not in this world.
No, I know.
Oh, the last 0.5. Thinking about a mirror maze with a meetup? Yeah, we would have to immediately stop.
Seeing like what avatars
You know,
are affected and whatever.
move on.
Oh yeah, that's quite intense.
No, I can
still breathing.
It's just because I'm doing it. That's stupid.
Hey Cyan, you should mess with people. Just put like a random portal notification, and then everybody like portal.
I don't know.
Where's the portal? I don't know where the portal is.
I mean, I could, but then it's like my reputation as a host would go down doing that. It's a one-time thing.
Image will go down.
Well, wait, so you're allowed to do
One prank per meetup, and you haven't done a prank yet. So
Not per meetup. It would just be like in general, because then people would stop trusting me. So I gotta choose the timing properly.
So, the occlusion
at this point, you just hold it and set everyone's chain every so often.
I have 0 frames. Oh, now I have just white frames.
We believe there's 2 real time.
Pretty great.
Yeah, you're looking at 5 mirrors.
Just one direction, that's fine. That gives you your depth.
There we go.
That direction is 5 always on mirrors.
Explode into bloom.
I'm definitely a bit
It's not enough bloom.
very strange.
Will just blow up.
But you know, I'm okay.
You've seen things.
I'm okay with this.
Perfect. Did you actually freeze?
Wow, I don't like
Wait, who are you saying that to?
It hurts a lot. I challenge you, look behind you.
I can handle it, even though barely. But I'm relatively okay.
How does your
Relatively.
video card like you that much? The video card like
I
you.
see lots of bloom.
I'm gonna slowly walk this way.
Looking in this direction around, you see the frame rate in here.
Okay. Are they?
The frame rate in here, this room alone.
myself into a pickle.
It's only here. Where about are you?
Oh, this is the way back. I have to go backwards to see anything?
Because there's a lot of different that it can be really difficult to get that to work right from across the right info.
Hello.
When somebody makes a word like that,
5 apparently.
someone
And you're hanging
is
out in
gonna
front of them.
notice and tells them how to do it right. So it's usually only newer worlds that would tend to be that way, and then they figure it out.
I see, so those are always on.
Oh, frames.
What's your favorite? Asking which is my favorite.
When you say rule, do you mean community meetup rule or do you mean VRChat rule? Because I'm gonna say I believe there's none to either of them.
The only way to survive in this world is by looking upwards.
Well, no. The mirrors are over there, so like you're entirely fine looking any direction here.
Yeah, I know, but like even if my mirror is off, oh boy, it still lag for me. Oh boy.
I mean, well, I guess I get lower frames over here, but the mirrors aren't facing.
Yeah. And when I looked down, I was like only 1 or 2 frames per second. And when I looked up, it's like normal frames again.
Yeah.
Still playable. Yeah. 1 frame, still playable.
It happens.
Yeah. At least I can still walk here, which is still good. Which is yeah.
So yeah,
There's just one time.
back to your question there of the meetup does not have any rules on like actual worlds like space size. Yeah. You can have a world as big as you want, just know we're not going to be able to explore all of it. No, that's just on you and tours. Are all of these lights real time?
Like I can't even move. Like the only way I can move is once again look up in the sky, and that's it.
I have avatar sounds turned off though.
Can we please?
Wait.
What's going on?
No, it is an avatar. It's an
Oh,
avatar.
okay.
Okay, if I turn avatar sounds to 0, it stops.
So yeah, you need to have both Avatar Sound 0 and like, well no, that one alone is it. If I've had that up a little bit, I would still hear sound sometimes, even though like all my safety settings say no Avatar sounds.
That's really weird. Are you hearing it too?
No,
Well, you
I don't hear it right now. I have them already off. But...
No, I hear it.
Wait, what is the sound?
Avatar that plays audio, and it gets all fucked. Unity audio.
Because of flight on your avatars?
Everyone should have flight on their personal avatar. It's kind of one of the most useful things you can do.
I wish I had it on mine, but I have been super lazy in dealing with avatars. I don't remember the last time I've updated this thing. Is there a prefab for that, or do you actually have to build it yourself?
I have a prefab built.
Your prefab?
Yeah, well, I haven't actually uploaded anywhere though, but it has like a shitty readme.
Okay.
So it technically could be a prefab. It's just
could
weird.
It's just weird. Okay.
That would have been amazing. I could have flown.
Now, see, the problem with Avatar prefab is that you have to kind of combine it into existing animators, and most people probably don't know how to do that.
I don't see it.
Why is it like there's no window on that side?
You need to have sign lasers.
Where am I going to be presenting, bro?
I do.
Oh, it's faxed today right now.
Is it fax?
Using the
Yeah.
Pimax, I can see the messages twice on the Pimax.
On the find one?
On the index, I could see them once. On the Pimax, I can see respawn twice.
Okay, interesting. I wonder if that'll like be the same on mine. I don't know if fax is using like the older version or the shaders. So I'm curious to see how yours would handle that.
Yeah, I don't see respawn or anything like that. I've got your avatar fully shown, I've got Fax's avatar shown.
Well, it's definitely fax right now. It says quiet, please. So.
We'll listen to GenkiDev.
Alright. Can I go? Alright. Hello everyone, my name is GenkiDev. I'm the owner and founder of Snowdinverse. The Snowdinverse is a network of content creators on VRChat, and our objective with Snowdinverse is to improve and reinvent what content creation on VRChat is all about. So it's by telling stories within simple worlds, or it's by creating new concepts. We try to go further beyond what has been on VRChat for the past 5 years and 7 years. Yeah, and so the world I'm going to show you is basically what started it all 2 years ago. It is an Undertale. It is an Undertale world based on Snowdin Town from Undertale, and with time it evolved and became entirely its own thing. And I'm sure you guys will. Maybe you guys been to the world before, maybe not. But all I have to say is enjoy. If you guys are interested in joining Snowdinverse, if you're a content creator and you want to be part of this adventure and this network, discord.gg/Snowdin. And actually today we're having our first Snowdinverse Direct, which is actually inspired by the famous Nintendo Direct, which is going to be a live showcase of multiple worlds, upcoming worlds from content creators. You guys might want to check that out because it's going to be very interesting. And yeah, so I'll be dropping a portal. You guys have fun, and yeah.
Hell yeah.
I don't remember if the same Snowdin map we've been. The problem is, you have no movement speed, so you're not going into portals when I go in.
Wait, really? Goku Loco has flight now? I need to update. Oh wait, hold on.
Huh. That's not a bad player join thing.
Do we know if that's copyrighted, or I should like mute audio here?
Wow. It's Toby Fox, I'm sure it's fine.
Yo, VC, you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I literally made it just in time.
Yo, Among Us.
Just in time, that's crazy, Jack. You actually made it just in time, bro.
Oh, my frames are back. Yay. My frames are back.
Yeah, they're fine for me. You're too close to the center.
Wait, isn't that today? I guess it's immediately after this.
Yeah, it's literally going to be after this, so we're kind of like on time right now. Yeah.
I mean, the event will definitely be done before then. But... Oh wait, what?
Yeah. I mean, we'll be good. We should be good. Oh my god, he's been on his own thing. He's been creating his own content. Yeah, his own thing as of recently.
Just the cyber thing. There's no meta jokes in there.
Do you want to give a quick tour of all this, or just have us explore?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, for sure. Follow me.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow me. There's a lot to explore. Okay.
I mean, this many people will definitely lag.
So, this is kind of like the main area. This is usually where people, yeah, for sure. This is usually where people hang out. I'll be showing you just before we go in any sort of like building. I'll be just showing the outside and everything. There are 2 NPCs you can interact to in this world. The one NPC is over there, which is the Riverman. It can either basically bring you to different worlds, or you can just speak to him. He gives a little bit of lore about, you know, Snowdin verse overall. So if you want to talk to him. By the way, everything user interface related was all made by Laddieprod, who is an underrated VRChat creator. You guys should definitely check him out. He is a genius of VRChat.
Laddie's been around for a long time, but like I haven't seen him at the meetup in like years.
Yeah.
I'm not really feeling.
Yeah, no, Laddie's kind of like doing his own thing now. So, Laddie's kind of like doing his own thing now. But yeah, he's still on that wave, and he's actually like he is a pretty sure. But yeah,
a game.
Okay.
All of a
Yeah.
sudden.
The
this one is
talking
filled
thing's
with
giving me like
Easter eggs.
massive stutters. I progress at one point. And just stutters randomly.
Risk of falling.
Also, there is an Easter egg in this map if you fall.
That was harsh.
If we fall. Ooh,
Yeah, if you
stutter.
fall there, if you fall there, there's gonna be so I'm lagging a little because I had to restart my virtual desktop, so that's one thing now. But yeah, you should jump there. I don't know if you want to do it, but you're gonna fall and there's an Easter egg. You just need to respawn afterwards.
I know what happens. I know what.
I can fall.
Yeah, I can't even get off the edge here. Oh no, frames. No.
God.
I'm not gonna try it because I think it's related.
I gotcha. Oh god.
It's like every time you get close. Oh, what if? Okay. No, it's probably not related.
Oh no. And I gotcha.
Okay.
That was a seriously harsh hitch.
Oh, it's like
That was a seriously harsh hitch.
it's stuttering so badly. Even XS overlay is stuttering. It's like, is my Steam VR just dying?
Okay. Oh no. And I gotcha.
What is going on? Bruh. Okay.
Oh geez.
So that's it.
All through.
GG?
Oh.
Okay. Bro, okay, what?
Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me right now.
So that's a disaster. But if you actually jump there, I don't know if you want to do it, but you're gonna fall.
How am I getting audio from that now?
Okay, what?
It's like.
All right then.
Oh my god,
For a second,
can
then I
move
get
again.
stuttered.
Oh my gosh, I can't even type. Yeah, this is really bad.
Almost got it.
Alright, I'm putting up the symbol if I can actually see how long it'll take for people to even see it. Wait, is it actually working better now? What?
Oh,
I'm alive.
Something just fixed itself.
What? The moment I put it up, it's like good. What?
What is going on?
So some people were saying that the objects, like just pickups, are freaking out, and that's causing network issue. But I don't know like why that like all of a sudden decided to fix itself. But we did
But
just put up.
I shouldn't. What?
I mean, that was at one point a VRChat bug, which could still be a VRChat bug, but yeah. Never have collision transfer enabled.
Okay, that is weird.
But it
That
seems
is weird though, 'cause I don't think.
Some
What?
people using clients for making this bug.
Yeah, because I never heard of this issue before, and you know people going here like on the
God.
daily, so that's kind of weird.
Never even lagged like this before here, like ever.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Pardon?
what is going on?
Wait, is this the hub instance or is it something else?
Yes, it's
Okay.
the hub instance.
You should probably just like flash portal and respawn. But I'll just go ahead and. Or do you want me to do the rejoin hub?
No, you can do the rejoin hub. as well.
How many people are here? 20. Okay.
You can go inside just so you have space in there.
Okay.
That is actually just not normal.
That's loud. In my... Okay, so now that we're back, I can actually read comments again. My day's going fine. A little tired, you know. We got some issues happening every now and then in this meetup, but yeah.
Like
That's
I could
fine.
hear you. I could hear you. You're like, oh god, I think CBR's like, you know. Like,
Oh, is that what repeated? I don't know what did or didn't go through, but like one of the things that I was saying was like I'm trying to type in XS overlay and I literally could not type. So I had to go walk to my physical keyboard. Oh no.
What? I just hit rejoin world because I figured, you know, like I was like, if I can at least just reload the world, I can stop these Udon, because I feel like there were Udon errors that I was.
Somebody was saying, I think it was Mississauga was saying it was actually objects freaking out.
Yep.
It's like that could have been the collision transfer bug.
Ketchup bottles and beer bottles were freaking out. They're like bouncing all over the place.
You're gonna grow some
And they
rice
kept
one day?
respawning.
Yeah.
Isn't there like an EST transfer option you're not supposed to have on pickups that would cause that? Or am I
There's a thing called collision transfer on object sync, the component.
Oh.
That used to be a really old bug.
Okay,
It sounds like it didn't always fix. So it's just like I will never have that enabled.
Yeah.
And it defaults on.
Transfer ownership on collision, you mean?
Yeah, collision transfer I think is what it's called. Or actually, I don't know what it's called now.
Yeah.
Let's maybe listen to facts.
Collision transfer on ownership?
Okay, well, that was the experience of Unity physics. Oh, that is strange.
Wait, what happened?
Now I found another bug with the audio. But yeah, next world is Pi's world, and Pi did say that the next world has some music in it that you can't turn off, which is a bit louder than usual. So when we're done with Pi's world, we're over for the day, and we'll be going to the social. We're starting the social part of the event. So I'm going to tell everyone to respawn. I'm just going to drop a portal. Well, say thank you, and then drop a portal, and then we'll be on that part. So,
Call it
Pi.
a day.
Yeah. Let me
Go
just turn
Pi.
it on first. So off, on. Did I fix that?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Loud and clear.
Yes, it's working. I have the crown. Okay, I didn't really plan on showing this today, so it might be slightly rough, but it should work. This is, for a bit of context, this is my entry to Roll the Red's current little game jam project, which is called Bad Apple, but it's something in VRChat. And that's the music Pax already mentioned. It's going to play playing Bad Apple on loop constantly. You can't turn it off. There's no button for that. But it has a slight twist, which the world name is going to revealed to you. Also, the first people joining might realize there's a mirror, but it's going to turn off as soon as more than 10 people are in there. So it should be off by default for everyone after that. I'll drop a portal, I guess. Yeah, there's a button you can turn it back on. I don't know if Pineapple is copyrighted to anyone streaming.
I'll assume
Figure
it
it out
is.
yourself. I guess.
Okay.
The world might be a bit boring without the music, but sure.
I assume there's enough context for it to, you know, pretend to see it. Wait, okay. I think I was introduced to this jam through, was it Pema's version? And this is kind of like...
I'm going.
We're actually pretty full at this time as well.
Full?
Yeah, we're 75 people. Or
Oh,
76.
yeah, surprisingly. Okay, so apparently Roll the Red is having a game jam. That's a fast download. I need to mute myself real quick. I don't know when I can unmute or mute.
That's pretty impressive.
There we go.
Is this like real time from the video or is this the pre-made?
You can technically put any video you want.
Only monochrome, or is it does it have colors as well?
Oh, my frames. Ow, what is going on? GPU stutter.
Where you can actually see the butterflies turning gray. The problem is that they only go away from parts that are completely black. So most color video doesn't look that great because it just has them all everywhere. And you just play it on them, right?
Okay, so apparently Roll the Red is doing a game jam competition where you must do bad apple in VRChat of something. So this is clearly one of the entries, which is entertaining. I was introduced to this by somebody else's, where basically it was playing bad apple on, I think it was like 1,000 Among Us portals. So that was entertaining to be introduced to it by. Now I really want to know what all the other entries are and how many people are entering.
Very cool.
What the?
What am I looking at?
Anybody else have really stutter?
Do you want to check it out?
What am I looking at there? Is that a shader?
Especially that way.
I mean, I think I'm just stuttering being in here. Like, my GPU is maxed, which is weird, because it tells me I have frames, but it's just pink on that PSVR.
I'm getting a buttery 30 FPS.
Oh wait, I see that you.
I'm GPU bad, but also the middle.
Stream's also streaming though, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Simon, you want to kill your FPS more? Click the middle.
I'm streaming to my headset.
I don't see a mirror.
It's
the we had bubble or something over there. Leave a middle.
It's pretty cool.
I don't.
This is the middle.
Well, I'm saying I don't even see a mirror on. I see the button, but
The middle is.
yeah, but it's not on for me.
It's on and it's.
So if you get really close, you can see like every two
It's red for me.
side the state of one butterfly. So that's how many butterflies there are. It's like stand down an evening and made this, but I think it's kind of neat.
No kidding.
Okay. I need to sit down for the stuttering.
Is this a shader?
That's making me say.
This is not. You're not manipulating vertexes here, right?
Oh. I am. This is a mesh.
It's a bit creepy to have you there, Simon.
No, it's
You're welcome.
128.
Wait, do you have the mirror on?
Not actually like
Do I need to like go back here?
Right?
Oh, it is. Okay.
And it has 128 of these.
Have you seen the mirror?
No, I haven't.
And then
The mirror.
Yeah, okay, turn on the mirror and you'll understand. Weird.
I see.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Yeah.
So it's just like going through multiple things. It's just like occasionally, oh, hi, Cyan.
Yeah, exactly. You see yourself and all of a sudden it's like, science.
Okay. Oh wait, is the mirror always? Oh no, it's just always right there.
Yeah, it's doing the video. But the mirror.
Okay.
I'm just watching an anime music video. This one does on Sundays.
I guess I can post
Okay, so go back to this side then.
we've done here. I'll post the link to someone else's. It's open to everyone. You can submit whatever you want.
Is the top like just the real?
Live in cold place. Come live in. No, I just AC on.
Turn off the AC.
Wow, that is a lot of information.
Just every single bit of data.
And it's half broken.
Holy crap.
It's just kind of funny from far away. You cannot understand this at all, but then like getting up close, you can see every pixel.
Yeah.
But when you get far away, it just looks like an old TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does.
So if you want to turn on rotation, that's
My hunger means it's getting kind of high. I need a... You can have this spicy.
Yeah, I ate it before I got on.
And then turn it back on. Because you should be actually at the same time. Anyone to be best time?
That reminds me of how wacky Godzilla lore is. I watched one of the, I guess, more modern takes on it on Netflix. It's so bizarre. It's just so weird. I guess there's mock people like a deity to them.
So this is really interesting to look at.
Or something. I don't remember all the details.
But it was
You know, you can turn off the what is it? The walking animations in the arcade. That way, your avatar doesn't like go snap into a walking position and then switch back to.
I mean, I have it on the avatar. I'm using GoGo Loco. I can just turn it on or off. I just don't normally. I guess it's only because I decided to sit down that now it makes sense to do it.
That makes sense.
When it merged with like a bit of, I don't know, Godzilla's organic.
I didn't know you already had it on your avatar.
I mean, I'm standing up for the entire time for the meetup normally. Oh yeah.
Oh jeez. It's too hot for me to stand up.
I've got an AC, so I can just deal with it.
I have central air, but I haven't gotten it fixed yet because I'm trying to actually get the house transferred over with the refinancing. So it's not a high priority at the moment until I get that taken care of.
Portal for the next one. Don't really have any other.
I mean, we could always just pick like something with, you know, we've either seen before or just like copy what FFF is and just pick one of those.
Yeah. I know Scud was talking about just going to the park, but
Wait.
I don't think many
The
people
problem
like
is
anymore.
without squid, she can't actually like increase the number. So unless we go to a world that's like 40 people.
Yeah. We are currently at 78, so yeah, we do need 40 still. I mean, I've heard good things about it. Although I think every time I go to it during the meetup, I'm always low frames, but I think that's just the streaming. I would have to stop that and you'd be fine. I think it was Fuma's, or is it Juice's? I'm gonna say, I think I don't actually remember whose now it was. The Clam Club?
Oh yeah, that was Juice's world.
Okay.
Can we...
He started off at the meetup. The meetup, so the limit should be fine. It's about 40.
I do remember it being a bit laggy during the before.
These are nice.
Wait, sound of what? The bad apple? You can just play it in the background. Yeah, it's by St. Goddard.
Yeah, if I remember correctly, Juice made it as a commission.
Yeah, looks like St. Goddard is a worthy candidate right now.
Worthy candidate?
Well, you know, for the thing, I don't know. Where'd Melon go? Is he still in here?
We're finding facts right now. Wonder where he is. Oh yeah, I guess. If you don't already, it could be anywhere. Next door inside Avatar. It doesn't matter too much.
Like your white butterfly looking for
setting the social part.
So his avatar is cutting the avatar you do want to be shown.
Basically,
It's a shoulder avatar.
In this case, find me. Come on. The clan collab. Now we just chit chat. So now it says portal.
This is so interesting.
All right, and that is the end of the community meetup here. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and end the stream, and see you again next week. Bye.
Let's see, what do we have?